In this video, we're talking about wedding party gifts. Who all gets a gift and what should you give them? Are they required for any specific people? Where can you find gifts and when should you give them? Welcome back to Newlyweds TV. If you're new to this awesome channel, you should definitely subscribe. We're here to guide you as you embark on the wedding planning journey to becoming newlyweds. I'm Leanne Valdez, the founder of You Name It Events, where we have been helping our clients plan meaningful, beautiful events for over a decade. What's the deal with gifts? Let's start with the who. Who do you have to give wedding gifts to? First off, agree together if you're going to do wedding day gifts with your partner, and then stick to your agreement. Don't be the person that says you aren't giving a gift and then gets one anyways. Make a plan and stick to it. It'll make your day smoother in the end. How about wedding party? Most couples do get gifts for their wedding party. As you probably know, it costs a lot of time, money, and effort to stand up in a wedding. So giving these folks a gift, showing them you appreciate them, is a definite do. Next, parents. Typically, couples do get gifts of appreciation for their parents. Sometimes this is because their parents are sponsoring the event. Sometimes it's just because they are grateful to them. How about vendors? Sometimes people wonder if they should get gifts for their vendors. Honestly, most vendors do not want or expect gifts. They do, however, appreciate tips, which we're going to talk about in a whole separate video. Now, how about the what? What should you give all these people? From my experience, the best gifts are either useful, meaningful, or both. For the wedding party, sometimes we see guys get ties or socks that they will wear that day, while ladies might receive earrings or a necklace that they can wear with their wedding day attire. For parents, sometimes we see personalized gifts, like an embroidered hanky or tie bar for dads, or a special photo frame for moms. When trying to brainstorm your gift ideas, consider what interests you share with the person or group of people receiving your gifts, and whether there's a gift related to one of those interests that might work. Think also about gifts as experiences. For example, gifting your wedding party with their hair and makeup services, or getting your parents a gift for some pampering like a massage. If you need more gift ideas, hop onto our Pinterest account at You Name It Events, and you can find a bunch of boards with even more ideas specific to the receiver of the gift. On to when. Most folks give their wedding party and parent gifts at their rehearsal dinner. This usually works out really well. If that doesn't work for you, you can also try to give these gifts on the morning of the wedding. Keep in mind, if you're gifting to each other, your photo and video teams will probably want to capture those special moments, so plan ahead with them. Give this video a like if you got any great tidbits out of the information I just shared. Let us know down in the comments what gift ideas you've been thinking about giving. Take care, and thanks again for watching.